Hello, hello. Welcome back to the course. In this section, we're going to move over to Google AdWords and see how we can set up different retargeting campaigns using the platform. Google AdWords is another powerful platform to run advertising campaigns, and especially for retargeting, Google AdWords provides a powerful tool to leverage all the different channels and build your campaigns using different analytics options. So without further ado, let's move on to how we can set up our Google AdWords retargeting campaign. To set up retargeting campaigns on Google AdWords, the first thing you need to do is set up a Google AdWords account. To do that, just go to adwords.google.com, and if you're a new user, this is the screen you're going to see. Here, all you need to do is type in your email address and type in your website address as well. So for this exercise, I'm going to again use the imaginary business Grocery Now, and I'm going to type in the address for Grocery Now here. Grocery Now. Click on continue, and this will direct us to create our first campaign. For now, we're going to simply type in random numbers because we can change all the numbers later. So for budget, let's choose, say, $50 per day, save. Locations, United States and Canada. Network, search and display. Keywords, let's maybe type in grocery, delivery, save. Bidding, let's put it as automatic. Text ad, type in random things for now. So I'll say fresh grocery delivered. Just copy and paste, and copy and paste. This gives you a preview of the text ad that I just randomly created. Again, this is just to set up the account, and we can change all the details later once we have the account. So I'm going to save and continue. You need to type in your billing information. So feel free to move on and fill out the details here. And if you're a new user on AdWords, there's this introductory offer, and let me show you how you can get the offer. Simply go to google.com ads adwords-coupon.html, and here Google's offering a $75 credit when you spend $25 if you're a new user. So type in your email address and claim your offer. Well, it wants a verification, so I'm gonna claim my offer. And once you do this, you're gonna get a coupon code in your email account. And once you get the coupon code, come back to the screen and paste that coupon code to claim your credit. And once you do that, save and continue and review all the details. And after that, we have our Google AdWords account ready, and we're good to go. Now we need to create our Google Analytics account. But before we do that, let's go to our account and pause the campaign that we just created. You can simply click on this green light and change the status to pause or delete, and we're good. To set up your Google Analytics account, you need to go to analytics.google.com. Google Analytics is a great tool for you to track what's happening on your website and analyze different behaviors of your customers online. And once you set it up here, you can directly link it to your AdWords account. Now simply click on sign up here to create your account. And here you need to fill up the details about your account. Type in your account name. I'll just type in Grocery Now. Copy this and website name, Grocery Now. Again, type in your website address. I'll type in Grocery Now. Industry category, choose whatever you want. I'll choose food and drink, reporting time zone, United States Pacific time, and you can choose all the options here and move over to get your tracking ID by clicking this. You need to agree on the terms of service here, so accept. And now we have our account ready. Next thing you need to do before we actually set up our retargeting ads on AdWords is to set up conversion tracking on AdWords. Conversion tracking is a tool that you can use to get a more accurate picture of what's actually happening on your website. And that's why it is crucial for you to set up this conversion tracking to optimize your retargeting campaigns moving on. Cool. Now let's see how we can actually set this up. You need to first go to Tools and click on Conversions here. And this will bring us to the Conversion Actions page here. And simply click on Conversion here. And you can choose the source of the conversions you'd like to track, whether it be website, app, phone calls, or even import offline or online conversions. But for this exercise, let's choose website and type in the name that you like to use for this conversion. So for this exercise, I thought it would be great to use the order confirmation page that I have. This is the page that all the customers will see after finishing their order on my website. And by setting up the conversion event on this page, I can track all the purchases happening on my website. Now let's move on to actually set this up. Let's go back to AdWords, type in the name, I'll say purchase, and you can type in how much each conversion is worth to yourself. You can say each time it happens, a conversion action has the same value, and type in how much you value the conversion. I would say it's about 15 bucks. Click on done. Count every conversion. You can also choose conversion windows. This is essentially how many days you would like to assign for each conversion event from ad clicks and search with display network. You can try to change it, but I'll leave it as 30 days for this exercise. You can choose category, and let's choose purchase sale for this one. And now you can save and continue to get the tag to track website conversions. And all you need to do is install this tag in the specific page that you want to track. So in this case, we need to go back to my order confirmation page and paste this tag on the body. So just paste this and upload the code on your website. Now come back to AdWords and close this page by simply clicking on this done button here. And congrats! As it says, we're ready to start measuring our campaign success. And now we see this purchase conversion being tracked. Based on your needs, you can add more conversion events, including add to cart or product views or whatever events you need to track for your business. And once we have these conversion events, we can better measure how the campaign is doing from an actual business standpoint. Welcome back. Now that we have set up our conversion tracking with AdWords, all we need to do is actually set up the retargeting audience that we can use on AdWords. To do that, you need to first go to the Campaigns Manager tab. So click on Campaigns. And here, we need to go to Shared Library and click on Audiences. This is where you can see the entire audiences that you have created for your AdWords campaign. Right now, we have all users created off of the Google Analytics pixel that we added. But to run retargeting campaigns on AdWords, you need to create different retargeting lists. And to do that, you need to install the remarketing tag on your website. In order to create remarketing tag, you need to click on Tag Details here and click on Setup and click on View AdWords Remarketing Tag and Instructions. You need to add this code to all your pages right before the slash body tag. So what I'm going to do is copy this, go back to the code of my website, and insert this right before the slash body tag. And all you need to do now is upload this to your website. Once you upload this, we can go back to AdWords Manager and close this and click on Remarketing List, this red button down here, and click on Website Visitors. And here you have all the options needed to create your remarketing list. First, you need to name your remarketing list. And in this example, I would like to name this Viewed Product. And I would like Google to populate this list with those visitors who viewed a certain product on my website, but ended up not buying any of them. And to do that, you will decide who to add to your list here. So if you click on this, you can choose to add visitors of a page or visitors of a page who did not visit another page or who also visited another page, or visitors of a page during specific dates or with a specific tag. And you can also use custom combinations here. For this exercise, I'm going to choose visitors of a page who did not visit another page and specify that I would like Google to add people who have viewed products but did not necessarily buy any of them. So to do that, we need to first type in the specific product page. So in this case, I'm going to type in strawberries.html. And that's a specific product page for strawberries on my website. And I would like to exclude those visitors who have purchased any product and landed on the order confirmation page. So here I'm going to type in order confirmation.html. And here you can specify the membership duration days as well. The longer it is, the larger your list is. So I would usually try to go for 180 days because that gives me a good enough volume in creating this list. But depending on the nature of your business and the volume of traffic that you get on your website, you can choose to either increase or decrease the days here. And now we're going to click on Save. And we now have the audience list to run our retargeting campaigns across AdWords. As you can see, because we're building these audiences based on the retargeting tags that we inserted on the website, it is crucial to make sure that your retargeting tag is working fine. When you're setting up the retargeting tag across your website, you need to make sure that you are inserting the tags across the pages that you need to track and double check all of them are working fine. That way, you can ensure that these audiences are created properly off of the right pages that you want to target.